Dubai real estate is booming. People from across the globe are buying properties in Dubai. In fact, the maximum number of properties which are being bought in Dubai every year are being bought by Indians. The number of properties bought by Indians every year is much more than the number of properties which are being bought by the local Emiratis as well. But is it legal for Indians residing in India to buy property in Dubai? Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai and relocate to Dubai for more than 13 years now. And in this video, I will be talking about whether Indians are legally allowed to purchase property in Dubai or not, and what are the rules that govern the same. The rules regarding buying property outside India come under the purview of the RBI laws, and the RBI laws clearly allow Indians to buy property outside India. Yes, the purchase of property outside India by a person who is residing in India is allowed and is 100% legal. There are proper rules regarding purchase of property outside India which have been prepared by the RBI, and the same are also easily available on the website of RBI. And the money for the purchase of property can be sent to Dubai through any bank account. RBI allows Indians to send money outside India for the purchase of property under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, which is also known as the LRS. The maximum amount of money which can be sent outside India depends on whether the person is a resident in India or is non-resident in India. Resident Indians are allowed to send up to $250,000 per annum, which in INR works to around 2.1 crores. This limit of 2.1 crore rupees is per person per annum. Thus, a resident Indian can send 2.1 crores outside India in each year. And if there are multiple partners, each partner can send 2.1 crores outside India per annum for the purchase of this property. The amount of money which a non-resident can send outside India is much higher. NRIs are allowed to send $1 million every year outside India, which in INR works to around 8.3 crores. And this limit is also per person per annum. Apart from the RBI laws, we also have to see what the income tax law says about sending money outside India. The income tax law states that 20% tax will be collected at source if the amount of money sent outside India by a resident is more than 7 lakh rupees. No tax is collected if the person sending the money outside India is a non-resident, but 20% tax gets collected at source if the person sending the money is resident in India. Thus, if a person sends say 50 lakh rupees outside India, then 20% of 50 lakhs, that is rupees 10 lakhs, would be deposited with the income tax department, and the balance 40 lakhs would be sent abroad for the purchase of property. Refund of this 10 lakh rupees can also be claimed by filing an income tax return at the end of the year, and the income tax department will return this 10 lakhs to you with interest. A client once asked me if there's any way to avoid deduction of this 20% tax on sending money abroad. I said, you can become an NRI and then this 20% tax will not get applicable. This 20% tax is only applicable if you send money outside as a resident. It is not applicable if an NRI sends money outside India. But he said he wants to reside in India only. So is there any way he can send money outside India while residing in India, and that too without 20% tax getting applicable? I said yes, there is another way. This 20% tax on sending money abroad can be avoided. This 20% tax is only applicable when the money is sent outside India by an individual. But if this money is sent outside by a company, then this 20% TDS is not applicable. But is a company allowed to purchase property outside India? Yes. As per the RBI laws, a company is also allowed to purchase a property outside India in say US or Canada or Australia or Europe or any other country for that matter. Now that we've discussed that buying property on the name of a company is allowed as per the RBI laws, is this allowed as per the UAE laws? See, as per the UAE laws, a property can be purchased by a company provided it is registered in the UAE. only a UAE registered company can buy a property in UAE. An Indian company cannot buy a property in the UAE on the name of its Indian company. Thus, although the Indian RBI laws allow a company to purchase a property outside India, but UAE laws do not allow the same. And as the laws of both the countries is different, it is for this purpose that we recommend that you always hire a consultant who understands the Indian laws as well as the UAE laws and can advise you after taking into consideration the laws of both the countries. Now that we've discussed the legality of property purchase outside India, let's now discuss why are so many Indians buying properties outside India. See, there are various reasons why people are buying properties in Dubai. One of the reasons is relocation. Some people want to relocate to Dubai in future and are buying properties in Dubai with the intent that they'll relocate and they'll themselves get to stay there in future. Another reason why Indians are buying property in Dubai is because the property prices in Dubai are booming. Property in Dubai is appreciating at a much faster pace as compared to India, and a lot of people have made a lot of gains. Moreover, having a property outside India also serves as a status symbol for some people. See, a lot of people have properties in India, but very few people have properties outside India. So, this works as a status symbol as well. Just imagine a group of friends are sitting and one person says that I have 3 properties in India. Other says I have 5 properties in India. And the third says I have properties in India as well as Dubai. So automatically people start seeing the third person with respect. I'm not saying that this happens in all the cases, but it happens in some cases. In fact, in some cases, people are also buying properties in Dubai and making it their second home. And a prime example of this is Mr. Mukesh Ambani, who recently gifted his son Anant Ambani a villa in Dubai's Palm Jumeirah as his wedding gift. Leave aside the appreciation in the value of the property, the rental returns for a property in Dubai are also much higher than the rental returns of a property in India. The rental returns on a property in India is nothing as compared to the rental return which a person can earn on a property in Dubai. And it is because of all these reasons that millionaires are buying properties in Dubai. I hope you found this video useful and worth sharing with your family over your WhatsApp chats and WhatsApp groups. I'm planning to create more such informative videos on how you can expand to Dubai, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.